Hi friends, let us see the unboxing video of VGSD-50 stabilizer for refrigerator. It comes with a 5 years warranty and a neat design. Let us see the specification. So here is a quick specification. It can support up to 2 amperes and it can be used for refrigerators of size up to 300 liters. And the MRP that is quoted for this product is 1690 and I bought it for 1495 and I bought this color maroon because my fridge is maroon color. Okay, let us open it. So it comes with a warranty card. Okay, let us keep it aside. Let's take the stabilizer out. Okay, now I have the product with me. So this is sticker, and here the two lights. One is for power and another one is output light. And here there is a warranty seal by VGOD, and this is output socket. This one goes to the power, to the mains. So it can be used for refrigerator. The application is refrigerator, and the time delay is 3 minutes, which is pretty high. Okay, but it would be good for places where there are frequent power cuts and very high fluctuations. That's it. Let me fix it on the fridge. Alright, now I have connected the stabilizer mains directly to the mains, and this one goes to the fridge. This one supplies the power to the fridge. This is the outlet of the stabilizer. Let us turn it on. Okay, so it is giving mains light as well as it is giving the output power. Now let us see whether the fridge is working. Yeah, it works. Alright, let us see the cutoff time. I'm going to turn it off. Okay. So as mentioned by the VGOD specification, technical specification, it should take at least 3 minutes to give out the power. So let us wait for 3 minutes. I'm going to pause this video. Alright, I believe it is almost more than 2.5 minutes. So let us see how much time does it takes to. Yeah, so now it has given the output, and you can see that the fridge is turned on. Great. So that is the unboxing of VGOD stabilizer, which can support up to 300 liters. And my fridge, it is a 190 liters 5-star rated Godrej fridge. Edge Pro, Godrej Edge Pro. And if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.